Welcome sa episode na ito. May conversation ng commander at ang prinsesang anak ng Russian President na si Vladimir Putin dahil nasa kamay siya ng mga terorista. Ginawa siyang hostage. Tumawag ito ng matago. Kailangan namin siyang i-rescue sa isang astig at risky at delikadong mission. Pero kailangan gampanan ng mission na ito. It's our task force dahil utos ito sa taas. Pinadala kami ng general at commander sa location kung saan natrap ang batang dalaga, anak ng President. Kasama namin ng iba pang Rangers Task Force, US Army soldiers bilang kaalyansa at bilang yan. Meanwhile, nasa bingit kami ng kaliwat kanang gyerang digmaan, nasa gitna ng battleground nakipagbakbakan at ang iba rin naming kasamahan at kaalyansang bansa ay doon na-assign sa ibang lugar at location nakipagbakbakan. It's World War II.
Don't throw any shots. The storm is coming.
Kill zone! Move! Move! Head for the building!
Metal 01, we've lost contact with the German division commander. What's the status on the ground?
Take Carlos down or we're getting overrun! This AO is lost!
Kung may narinig kayo ng radio contact background ay doon yan sa ibang lane, top lane war, middle lane war at bottom lane war kung saan ang lokasyon ng lugar na ganap ang bakbakan. May contact connection kami sa aming main base na White House o Malacanang kaya maririnig mo lahat bilang monitor kung saan marinig mo ang command ng general, intelligence, strategist at commander.
We're gonna watch their backs.
It's the sound of the
RPG, look out! Bird is down! Bird is down!
Ang unang goal namin ay patumbahin at pabagsakin namin ang Eiffel Tower ng kalaban dahil ito nagbibigay sa kanila ng radar, depensa, monitoring at signal connection upang makapagpalipad sila ng mga missiles at nuclear para di kagad makaposek ang kaalyansa ng kanilang kaaway na biktima pero dapat namin unahin sirain ang kanilang ulo ng intelligence at strategist na gumawa ng strategic war para masakop nila ang aming bansa.
Come in, damn it! Big Bird, this is Bravo 6, we're on our way out! On your feet, soldier! We are leaving! Get to the castle! Come on, let's go! Back on your feet, let's go! Take it away! Come on!
Back to base muna, naubusan ako ng gasolina. Tas babalik na naman ako sa location kung saan naganap ang bakbakang digmaan. Nandyan na ako papunta na, at nandito na ako.
Up the stairs! Secure this area fast!
Attack! Okay, Slave.
We gotta get the hell out of the kill zone! Move! Move! Head for the building!
Metal 01, we've lost contact with the German division commander. What's the status on the ground?
Take columns down or we're getting overrun! This AO is lost! They dropped the damn building on us!
At yun nataprid na namin ng isa sa mga terorista. Lumalaban pa rin siya kahit siya lang mag-isa at yun ni Rat-Ratten at pinaulan na namin ng bala.
Berlin is falling. We'll maintain ISR. Over.
Through here!
All call signs, this is Overlook. We're seeing enemy armor in the Palm Grove west of the river.
Taking fire.
RPGs on the rooftops.
Iniwan ako pansamantala ng aking team. Sabi nila na ikaw muna dito lalaban mag-isa dahil may ibang mga kaalyansa sa bansa na hihingi ng tulong backup sa kabilang lane war ng lugar ng lokasyon dahil nabutas na at nasira na ang aming isang tower, radar signal connections na nagbibigay rin sa amin ng dagdag contact connections pero may mga natitira pa kaming tower at kinakailangan nila itong depensahan, protektahan at i-cover at babalikan lang daw nila ako kung kinakailangan ng matinding pangangailangan ng backup at kaya ko na daw lalaban mag-isa laban sa libo-libong German soldiers. But later on nagpadala agad ng mga backup rangers ang aming main base White House at Malacanang para tulungan ako dahil di sapat lalaban mag-isa laban sa libo-libong German soldier army.
Command, you're now going too fast. Infantry's making a run for it. We are clear to land, over. Roger that. Okay. Bachelor 2-7, let's get the sabrams to the front. Outlaw, this is command. Unload half your chalk here and take the rest 2 clicks west. We need you to evac an advanced team pinned down in the city.
At yun na naunti-unti na namin nasira, naibagsak ang Eagle Tower ng kalaban at nabutasan ang mid lane ng kalaban upang unti-unti makapasok ang aming team sa main base ng kalaban.
Marines, listen up. One of our forward recon teams has gotten pinned down and needs our help.
Nag-contact radio command si Hannibal kay Bale at ito ang kanyang response.
Outlaw, this is Deadly. Returning to base to refit and refuel. You're on your own for now, Q5.
Back to base muna ako dahil naubusan na ako ng balak, be ready, be full magazines, full tank at fully charged. At babalik na naman ako kung saan ang back off down isa sa aming mga helicopter beepers para depensahan, protektahan at i-cover ang isa sa aming team. Kailangan namin silang i-rescue para makabalik sa aming base upang makapag-heal at recharge para makapag-fully magazines at full tank at balik na naman sa mission upang madepensahan ang aming bansa laban sa pangunguna ni Hitler ang leader ng Germany at nakipag-alyansa ito sa bansang Japan dahil ang balak nito ay sakupin ang mundo at dito nabuo ang story ng Pearl Harbor pero ipaglaban namin ang liberated, tagumpay at kalayaan.
Alpha 6, what's your status? Over. We're still surrounded, sir! There's just the 4 of us left, but the tank's still okay! Over! Bravo 6, this is Warpig. Green guns offline, but we still have our machine gun. Moving with dead packs, don't let them get close to the tank.
Where is the noise like fire?
Storm is coming.
Sir, there's just the 4 of us left, but the tank's still okay! Over! Bravo 6, this is Warpig. Green guns offline, but we still have our machine gun. Moving with dead packs, don't let them get close to the tank.
At malapit na namin napasok ang main base ng mga kalabang bansa at malapit na namin matalo si Hitler at ang mga nasakupan nitong mga Nazi at mga Hitlerism ay patuloy pa rin lumalaban upang ipagpatuloy ang pananakop ng mundo.
Do you see anyone left down there? Negative. We got him. Roger that. All targets destroyed and we're out of here. Good luck, boys. Out.
Like fire.
Breaching! Command, LZ is secure. Bring in the engineers and let's get this tank moving. Roger that. They're on the way. Good work. Out.
Squad, regroup the tank. Let's go.
At malapit na namin napasok ang main base ng mga kalabang bansa at malapit na namin matalo si Hitler at ang mga nasakupan nitong mga Nazi at mga Hitlerism ay patuloy pa rin lumalaban upang ipagpatuloy ang pananakop ng mundo.
Listen up. We don't have much time to get this tank out of here. We'll take up defensive positions around the fog. Here, here, and here. And buy the engineers some time to get the tank moving.
Let's get the hell out of here. Coming through. Roger that, Bravo 6. So,
Isasat na namin ang Eagle Tower at Defense Armor bilang main gate ng kalaban at napapasok na ang aming team at aming mga kaalyansang bansa sa main base ng kalaban, which is ang capital city, Berlin at palasyo ng Germany, kung saan nagtatago si Hitler at ang apo nitong si Kibuloy.
U.S. Marines stationed on high alert were given the order to invade a small...
Nikolai! Foreman said the crews are at Harry.
Just as they lay waste to our country, we shall lay waste to theirs.
I think this will stop the
Malapit na namin masira ang capital city, palasyo, Berlin, ng Germany nang kung saan nagitatago si Hitler at ang apo nitong si Kibuloy.